Hey, Christopher!
Hey!
How are you today?
I am great. Skydiving for the first time.
Oh yeah, how exciting.
It's very exciting.
Are you nervous?
Just a little.
Just a little?
Yeah.
Do you want us to make you really nervous?
Right on.
Awesome. So, is there any special occasion for today's jump?
Randomness.
Random, that's the best reason, isn't it?
Yep, randomness, didn't expect it to happen. Got to at least do it once in my life, so here I am.
Amen to that.
Yes.
Sweet. So tell me about the jump. How high are we going to jump from?
14,000 feet.
That's going to be pretty high up.
Yes, it is. Very, very high.
Then how fast do we fall?
120 miles an hour.
Super fast.
Yes, really, really fast.
Do you ever drive that fast?
Not always.
Okay, and then one more question. What height are you going to open the parachute?
6,000 feet.
Perfect. Sounds like you're all ready to go.
I'm ready.
Okay, before we throw you out of a plane for the first time, anything to say to your family and friends?
I'll miss you. It's going to be a great day. You should probably try too one of these days.
Oh, I agree with that.
Yes.
All right, ready to go have some fun?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm ready.
Alrighty, Chris, how you feeling?
I'm doing great.
Yeah? How high up are we?
5,000?
Woo, not even
that right?
halfway.
Not even halfway.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, he said commercial airliner from 8,000 feet. We're going to 14,000.
Yep.
Yep.
We've been super high up. How do you like the scenery so far? How do you like the view?
What?
How do you like the view?
A beautiful view. That is amazing. And we're not opening up a door. The door's already open.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So are you ready to go
It's crazy.
skydiving?
What?
Are you ready to go skydiving?
I'm ready as I've ever been.
Yeah. Are you
Yeah.
ready? Awesome.
Oh
I'm
my
ready, so I'm going to see you guys outside. Tell me all about it.
That was awesome.
It's pretty cool, isn't
Yes,
it?
that was cool. The scenery was beautiful, and wow,
It's
it
awesome.
was a rush.
So that was your first ever skydive?
First time ever.
Would you do it again?
Probably.
Yeah, awesome. Well, congratulations on your first skydive. You did an awesome job. Thank you so much for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Hopefully we see you again for the next one.
Absolutely.
Thank you.